Mr. Jeff Elliott of Elliott Enterprise, a Chicago's quality cleaning company, asked, "Are things falling apart in your life because of the conditions of your house or apartment? Are you living in one of the messiest apartments or homes for miles around, and feeling very helpless, because you are not allowing anyone to enter? Then, Elliott Enterprise Affordable Professional Cleaning Company could be your answer." Jeff says, "It does not have to be mysterious times anymore. For Elliott Enterprise is at your service. There is not a messy house or apartment that they can't handle and bring it back to an enjoyable living space." Over the years many has asked, who will solve the riddle with positive cleaning solutions? There is only one answer top that question: Elliott Enterprise. Call them today, 708-770-9629. Again, that number is 708-770-9629, and remember, no one cleans like Elliott Enterprise does.